Facts you need to know. Does lemongrass keep bugs away? Introduction to lemongrass as a bug repellent. Lemongrass is a natural insect repellent known for its strong aromatic properties. It is popular for its eco-friendly bug repelling benefits, making it an ideal choice for gardens, outdoor spaces, and personal use. This versatile plant helps keep unwanted insects at bay while being a sustainable and environmentally friendly option for pest control. Does lemongrass keep bugs away? Yes, lemongrass is an effective natural bug repellent. It contains citronella oil, a well-known insect deterrent that works against mosquitoes, flies, and other pests. The plant's strong aroma not only adds to its appeal but also helps keep bugs at bay, making it both functional and aromatic as a natural pest control solution. Benefits of lemongrass for repelling bugs. Natural insect repellent properties due to citronella oil. Repels mosquitoes, flies, ants, and other pests. Doubles as an aromatic enhancer for outdoor spaces. Can be grown in gardens or used in essential oils, sprays, and diffusers. How to use lemongrass for bug repellent. Lemongrass spray. Mix lemongrass essential oil with water for easy application. Essential oil, used in candles, diffusers, lotions for bug repellent. Plant lemongrass, grow in gardens to naturally repel insects. Versatile, incorporate in potpourri, sachets, and bug repelling recipes. Effectiveness of lemongrass as a bug repellent. Scientific studies confirm lemongrass oil's bug repellent effectiveness. Protects against mosquitoes, ants, ticks, and more. Comparable to DEET-based repellents in scientific tests. Also has antifungal and antiseptic properties. Comparison with other bug repellents. Traditional bug sprays have harsh odors and chemicals. Lemongrass offers effective pest control with a fresh, citrusy scent. Provides a twofold benefit: bug deterrence and a refreshing fragrance. Natural and eco-friendly alternative to chemical repellents. Lemongrass varieties and bug repellent properties. East Indian lemongrass, strong citrus aroma, used in teas and cooking. West Indian lemongrass, known for robust bug repellent properties. African lemongrass, combines fragrance with insect repellent traits. Hybrid varieties, developed for enhanced bug repellent effectiveness. Variations in bug repellent effectiveness. Different lemongrass varieties have varying bug repellent levels. Citronella oil content varies by species and environmental factors. Optimizing variety choice enhances bug repelling performance. Safety and precautions for using lemongrass as bug repellent. Potential risks: skin irritation if used undiluted, especially for sensitive skin. Patch test: apply diluted oil to test for allergic reactions. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and open wounds. Be cautious when using around children or individuals with allergies. Safe application and usage tips. Dilute lemongrass oil. Use a carrier oil to minimize skin irritation. Quality products. Buy from reputable brands for safe and effective use. Follow guidelines. Stick to recommended usage for best results. Conclusion. Lemongrass is a versatile and natural solution for repelling insects. It combines proven insect repelling abilities with a pleasant fragrance, making it both effective and enjoyable to use. With proper usage and precautions, lemongrass is a safe and eco-friendly option for protecting outdoor spaces from pests while enhancing the environment with its refreshing aroma. Thank you for watching and exploring the benefits of lemongrass as a natural insect repellent with us. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring for your own bug repelling journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on eco-friendly solutions. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content to help you create a healthier, pest-free environment.